Craigman is the third Trinidadian dancehall artist to be killed in a month.
This video here is a video I did a while back. Probably like a year and a half, 2 years. And it is one in the series of video I did on murder music and Trinidad. And this was before Wakadan and all them other guys get slapped away. I want you guys sit back and listen to this video, and you see what I have been saying for the longest time. It is coming into reality. Trinidad, they take the dancehall music and turn it into murder music. Let's go. Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and hit your notification button. Now, me a talk about Trinidad again. Cause me a talk about Belize still up. Yo, so much things are going on Belize, me head a spin. But the youth here, Craigman, him is the third Trinidad artist to get fling away within a month. And when me do the video on Trinidad and say, yo, them is a carbon copy and them not have no culture, me get a lot of flack. You have a youth named Bonnier, him come and him talk things. Well, the man them a drop like fly at Trinidad. Listen to this.
Trinidad artist, whose real name is Keenan Craig, 31, was killed at St. Paul Street, Laventille on Saturday night.
Now, we just break it down for you. Laventille is in Port of Spain, Trinidad. It and a place called Arima. It would be like Tivoli and Jungle and Rima in Jamaica. So that's where Laventille is. Let's go.
Gunman approached Craig and shot him in the head and chest at about 9:15 p.m.
Yo, when you hear that, him dip on a street and a man approach him and shot him straight in him head and chest. Well, you see how wicked Trinidad is? Trinidad, violence, evil, and the man them have big money.
Craig, a father of one, manager in the Trinidad genre, which leans heavily on gun violence for lyrical inspiration. His songs include Chat and Nightfall with Metal Dan. However, the family of Craigman is adamant that he did not live the life he sang about, and that his killing was not a case of life imitating art.
You hear what him family say? He didn't live the life he sing about. Well, me have news for them. Them don't realize Trinidad is something different. If you're in Trinidad and you're singing gangster songs or you're going on social media, you're targeted. So the family should have understand that. Craigman should have understand that. Listen, if I was in Trinidad and me had the music, all 20-40 man me around me, and every man have a blood clot, them think on them. Cause guess what? No boy nah get a free shot off a countryman. Or some me road, or else me no go. Him was too friendly, naive, don't understand the dancehall culture, but at the very least, his family, them kind of, I don't want to use this word, but me I use it. They got convoluted because of his death, and he was naive. You understand? Exactly what the family is saying he's not doing, that's exactly what's going on, and them fail to realize that because them are mourn. Let's go.
The art form had nothing to do with his death. It is really unfortunate that happened. A lot of people want to express themselves in this art form. don't want is for people to link his music to how he was killed. Attesting to Craig's character, one man said, "Hash it out in music, not in violence." He was not the type to express that physical aspect of his songs.
Well, me have news for the people them in Trinidad. The art is playing out in real life. So that's what's going on. So the violence in the music is playing out in real life. So pretty much whatever you sing about, it's gonna happen in real life to you in Trinidad. Hear this.
Craig's murder follows the death of fellow Trinidad artist Chucky Blanco Joseph, 18, who was shot dead by police on September 25th after he allegedly pulled a gun on them, and Josiah Boss McClatchy, who was reportedly killed during a shootout with police on September 26th. In March 2021, 18-year-old Trinidad artist Brad Bad Like That, was shot and killed after allegedly issuing a threat to a gang. In July 2020, 26-year-old dancehall artist Rebel 6, whose real name was Kyle Roberts, was killed after he was shot several times during a home invasion.
And the list goes on and on. So people, when you say I do them video, like I said, me really highlight and me a lick out upon the Trinidad dancehall genre and how them a do the violence. Me not lick out upon the music, but me a highlight the violence and the reality what's taking place in a Trinidad. Very, very dangerous place. Crime in Trinidad is one of the highest throughout the world. We have more murder than them because our island double the population size. But them have more crime. Them have more rape. Them have more robbery. Them have more thieving, petty. You name it, them have it. And them have more femicide than Jamaica. If you don't believe me, we'll do the research. With that said, it's sad how the man them a deal with the music thing at Trinidad, and I want to know when the artists them are gonna start speak out. The Jamaican artists are want to know when people at Trinidad are gonna start speak out. This is crazy. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and click on another video.